In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform your wide-angle selfie into a creative masterpiece using CapCut. Whether you're looking to add a touch of humor or a splash of retro charm, these simple steps will guide you to enhance your photo in no time. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. To start off, you'll need to import your wide-angle selfie into CapCut. This is as simple as opening the app and selecting the image from your gallery or camera roll. Once you've got your photo ready to go, we can move on to the fun part, editing. Next, we're heading over to the Adjust tab. This is where some of the magic happens as we begin tweaking various elements of your image. Start by playing around with the Distortion and Fisheye settings. These adjustments will help refine the natural curvature of your wide-angle photo, giving it a more polished look or accentuating its distinctive style, depending on what you're going for. Don't forget to also adjust the saturation. By enhancing or reducing the colors, you can dramatically change the mood of your selfie. Feel free to experiment here until you're satisfied with how your photo looks. Remember, these tools are all about discovering what style suits you best. After you've fine-tuned these settings, it's time to add some personality with a filter. Head over to the Effects tab where you'll find a variety of filters ranging from funny to retro. A well-chosen filter can add atmosphere and character, transforming your image in the direction you want. Try out a few different effects to see which ones capture the vibe you're aiming for. Whether you're channeling a nostalgic feel or going for something that's lighthearted and bright, the right filter will elevate your selfie to new heights. Now, for a final touch of flair, consider layering in some captions, stickers, or emojis. CapCut offers a wide variety of customizable options for this. Adding text with a catchy caption or inserting some playful stickers can add layers of fun and creativity to your photo. Emojis can help express the emotion or theme you're trying to convey, whether it's cheeky, laid back, or quirky. Don't hesitate to mix and match these elements. Personalization is key, and these additions are a great way to make your photo stand out. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you've got everything you need to transform your wide-angle selfie into something truly unique and eye-catching. Remember, editing is an art, so have fun with it and let your creativity shine. I hope this guide has been helpful and inspired you to experiment more with your photos. Be sure to share your creations and leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing!